Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials. Your Ippb account must have the mobile number the bank has on file, and Google Pay should be updated. Once done, open Google Pay and tap Add Bank Account to start linking. Make sure you select the phone number tied to Ippb when prompted. This ensures OTPs arrive. As you proceed, keep your debit card and Aadhaar info handy because the app may request verification or instructions to set a UPI PIN. Next, choose India Post Payments Bank from the bank list and allow Google Pay to verify your number. You'll receive an OTP. Enter it promptly to confirm account ownership. Once verified, Google Pay will display linked accounts. Pick your Ippb account and follow the prompts to create or reset a UPI PIN. Sometimes the app asks for debit card details or last 6 digits for additional validation. Follow those instructions carefully. This creates the secure auth. You're almost done. Perform a small test transfer of Rupee 1 or Rupee 10 to a trusted contact or your own alternate account to confirm the link. Once the transaction succeeds, verify Google Pay's transaction history and check the SMS confirmation from Ippb. That proves the linkage. If something goes wrong, first confirm your mobile number is correctly registered with Ippb, then retry the OTP flow. If OTPs still fail, restart the phone. Ensure network access, and contact Ippb support for account-level fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.